Hey everyone! Ever wondered how furniture gets that incredibly smooth, polished finish we all love? Well, today we're diving into the world of marble processing and the ultrafine mill that's changing everything. This isn't your average tool. It's a high-tech machine designed specifically for furniture manufacturing. Imagine taking raw marble and transforming it into ultrafine particles with precision that's just mind-blowing. Why does that matter? Because finer particles mean smoother surfaces, better adhesion for coatings, and a flawless end product. For furniture makers, this mill is a total game changer. It boosts efficiency, reduces waste, and elevates quality to new heights. Think about it. No more rough edges or uneven textures. Just pure, sleek perfection that customers adore. Plus, it's eco-friendly. By minimizing material waste, it helps reduce the environmental footprint of manufacturing. Whether you're crafting tables, countertops, or decorative pieces, this mill ensures every detail is impeccable. So, if you're in the furniture biz or just a fan of fine craftsmanship, this tech is something to get excited about. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into innovative manufacturing.